The Supreme Court of California has granted a law license to an undocumented immigrant from Mexico who has lived for years in the U.S. Sergio Garcia, 36, arrived in the U.S. nearly 2 decades ago without papers. He attended law school and passed the California bar exam, but has not yet been granted a visa. Mr. Garcia challenged a 1996 law barring illegal immigrants from receiving professional licenses, a rule later changed by Governor Jerry Brown. The new lawyer was born in Mexico in 1977 and brought to California less than 2 years later, according to a statement from the California Supreme Court. He returned to Mexico with his family at age 9, but illegally re-entered the U.S. when he was 17. Good moral character. Mr. Garcia's father, who had legally obtained resident status, filed for a visa on his son's behalf soon after, but because of a long backlog of applicants, Mr. Garcia has not yet been granted a visa. He picked almonds and worked in a grocery store to pay his way through university and Cal Northern School of Law, later passing the California bar examination on his first attempt. Mr. Garcia subsequently challenged a 1996 federal law barring people living in the U.S. illegally from receiving professional licenses from government agencies or with the use of public funds. The federal government argued the California court's budget was funded by public money, thus precluding him from being granted a license. Meanwhile, Mr. Brown signed a series of immigrant rights bill in October, including one allowing undocumented people to be granted law licenses. That law took effect on 1 January. On Thursday, the state's Supreme Court unanimously ruled in favor of Mr. Garcia, determining he possesses the requisite good moral character to qualify for a law license, the statement concluded.